How to log in LL Bean credit card online. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So go ahead and open your web browser and in the search bar type LL Bean credit card. Select the second option that says LL Bean credit card sign on or apply. Wait for a couple of seconds. On this page, you have to enter your user ID and then the password and then click on sign on. Then you will be successfully logged into your LLP credit card. But if you have forgotten your credentials, you will see the option of retrieve user ID or reset password. Tap on that and provide the information as instructed. But if you have not yet created your account, you will also see the option of get started just below. And that's how you will be able to log in into your LLB credit card account. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.